Hello students, welcome to all of you. In previous lecture, you have studied in the current chapter, that is matter around the sphere, that is what is physical change, what is the important examples of physical change, and what is the important characteristics of physical change along with activity. In today's lecture, we are going to study about chemical change. So student, what is chemical change? So chemical change is a permanent and irreversible change in which one or more new substances are formed with different composition and different properties. Then such type of change is called chemical change. Okay? A chemical change is a permanent and irreversible. Permanent and irreversible change in which one or more new substances are formed. One or more new substances are formed with different composition and of different properties. Then such type of change, is called chemical change. It's called chemical change. Alright, student? So this is the definition of chemical change. And what is the main examples of chemical change? So you are knowing that rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is a good example of chemical change. Similarly, burning of paper is other example. Burning of wood or coal. This is also a chemical change because in this change a new substance gets formed and that is irreversible too. So this is comes under the category of chemical change. One more example of that is chemical change is burning of magnesium in air. That is burning of magnesium in air. Some other examples of physical change is that is electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water. Other example, ripening of fruits. Ripening of fruits. Other example of physical change is that is digestion of food. Digestion of food. digestion of food. Okay, so these are the some familiar examples of chemical change. Now students, what are the main characteristics of chemical change? So main characteristics of chemical change are following. Characteristics of chemical change. So first characteristic is chemical change is a permanent change. Second characteristic, chemical change is a irreversible change. Third characteristic, during chemical change, one or more new substances are formed. And other characteristic is chemical change is always accompanied with the absorption or liberation of energy in the form of heat and light. Understand? So these are the some important characteristics of chemical change, and this chemical change can be easily illustrated by a simple activity. So students, suppose in two different test tubes, each of 5 ml of in one test tube add the silver nitrate solution, and in other test tube add the sodium chloride. In one test tube add silver nitrate, and in other test tube add sodium chloride, but the amount of the substances which are put in this test tube is 5 ml. Alright, once again I am repeating the activity. In two different separate test tube, we are taking in one test tube silver nitrate, in other test tube sodium chloride solution and silver nitrate solution, each of 5 ml. The amount of or the quantity of this solution in this test tube is 5 ml. Now add this test tube of NaCl or put it in the first test tube. Suppose this is your first test tube, this is your second test tube. So put this NaCl in first test tube. Then what will happen? You will see that after the mixing of these two, a reaction will take place and one or more new substances will form with different property as well as different composition. So by mixing of these two, means silver nitrate and NaCl, when they get mixed, a white precipitate in the below in the bottom of this test tube of silver chloride is formed, and above this precipitate the contents of, that is silver nitrate, are obtained. Once again I am repeating, in two different test tubes, we are taking in one test tube silver nitrate solution, in other taking sodium chloride solution, each containing 5 ml. When sodium chloride is added in the first test tube, then when reaction will take place, means during chemical change, a new substance, that is silver chloride of white precipitate, is formed in the bottom of the test tube, and above that precipitate silver nitrate solution is formed. So what is happening? This can also be represented through a reaction. So this is silver nitrate, NaCl, going to react, forming white precipitate of silver chloride, and sodium nitrate is upper side of the test tube. And you are seeing here that, or you can, after observation you will find that a new substance is formed during the chemical change, and this change cannot be reversed. So this change is a irreversible change and a permanent change. So this is the explanation of chemical change through activity, that how a chemical during chemical change the substance gets changed into one or more new substances, and new substances which